It has been a few weeks now since we installed our lazy seal and have been using our spa every alternate day without any signs of leaking. There has been no obvious sign of degradation of airflow and bubble stimulation in the spa. We shall now undo the airline coupling to check on the lazy seal, and we observe there is no water coming out of the pipe from the spa liner. This shows our lazy seal is working perfectly as expected. We shall now reconnect our airline after showing no water is leaking out and demonstrate the airflow once more.